First, this is the Asana admin UI. I'm going to show you how we can automate provisioning and deprovisioning in Asana without the SCIM tax. Let's take this user, p+14 at stitchflow.io. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into the Stitchflow UI and I'm going to go ahead and remove that user. And let's find p+14. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and run an action. Now, what's happening is Stitchflow is spinning up a headless browser in a secure environment, authenticating in securely. And just like a human would, it's navigating the UI of Asana and going ahead and removing this user. And if for some reason the automation doesn't work, there's a CAPTCHA, some sort of auth issue, the UI has changed, our 24/7 on-call engineers will debug and fix the issue. So essentially, we're providing you a reliable API through headless browser automation for any app that doesn't have an API. Now, if I were to go, you see this action ran. If I were to go look at it, you'll see that p+14 is gone. And that's basically how it works. Here's a recording of actually what's happening when Stitchflow is running. And so if I were to just go ahead and click this, you're going to see that Stitchflow is actually finding the user, navigating the UI, actually removing them. Now, here's the best part. We do this in whatever workflow you need. If you have Okta, if you have Entra, no worries. Stitchflow will provide a SCIM bridge for any app that's disconnected because of the SCIM, because the SCIM plan is not available or it's too expensive. And you can essentially have SCIM functionality directly in your IDP. If you have a workflow tool like Workato, Better Cloud, Okta Workflows, no worries. Stitchflow will plug into the workflow. If you don't have any automation system, no worries. You can use Stitchflow's UI, where you can see all your users, all the apps that are associated with, and provision and deprovision in bulk. If manual management of disconnected apps is an issue, please talk to us. Go to stitchflow.com and sign up for a demo. Thank you.